Hello everyone, this is our classroom and they are my student, my pupil. So there is some girl and boy, they are very innocent and obedient to my student. So they study in this classroom and okay, I will ask them their name. So, what's your name? What's your name? তোমার নাম কি? Good, তার নাম সাবি. What's your name? Farabi. His name is Farabi. What's your name? Irene. What's your name? What's your name? Good job. He said my name is Tahmina. He said with English. Okay. After that, what's your name? Alif. Good job. So then I will ask you, which class do you study? Which class? Class 1. All of them. All of you. They. Okay, class 1. They study in the class 1. So they are very wonderful guy, and they are very amazing my students. So I teach them, and they are very intelligent person. So today I try to try to practice my English. So that's all for today. Have a good day.